I'll be putting you through on how you can create your own music. I'm a piano, jazz music, classic music, reggae music, any type of music you want. If you have a music you want to reference to, you can do that. On this video tutorial, I'll be putting you through on step by step on how you can achieve this, have amazing results. And we can achieve this by watching the video from the beginning to the end. Don't skip any part so you don't get it twisted. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed. Click on the bell notification to get notified anytime I bring amazing content your way. I remain Anthony Olo, your #1 AI shop plug. Let's go straight into the tutorials. Let's go, guys. Sites, I'll be dropping the name and link on my description box. You come down to this interface, you see a lot you can achieve here. Storyboard, any angle, live studio. But right now we are heading to music generator because we want to generate amazing music that we can use for ads and other platforms. Okay, so right here we will see we have our music creation. The options we have here, you can bring out a optional reference music you want to generate, a music you want to have like a reference with. Here you can drop your lyrics and add instrumentals if you wish to, and you can come down here and drop your prompt. Okay, so over here I will say my name is Anthony Olo. Make me a song and tell my audience to subscribe, like, and share my video. Okay, yes, so this is my prompt. Make it sound African. You can put anything here. You have up to 2,000 characters here to play around to describe your song you want. Okay, once we are done generating prompts, I'm just using a few steps here. Over here you can add soundtrack if you already have a soundtrack, vocal harmonies if you already do. Over here you have other things you can add here. All right, so right now I am not adding any other thing. I want to generate fresh from scratch. You click on here, you see it's zero. It costs you 0 coin to generate. Yes, on this platform, when you register newly, you will be given 10,000 coins to use, 10,000 coins or units to use to work with. It will be renewed whenever you are exhausted. Okay, so right now it's creating the song. Remember, the main point here is I use my name. Few seconds is ready. It's less than a minute. It is ready. This is under seconds. Right now it's generating everything super fresh for you to work with. This did not touch my coin. My coin is still the way it is. Now let's play and listen to this. All right. Tell me what you think about this amazing music, which you can use for your YouTube sound music. You can use it for ads, for your business or your gigs. Let's listen to it, guys. Yeah, yeah, oh, yeah, oh, yeah, yeah, oh. Welcome to the show. Anthony Ulu wanna go. Got that fire in my soul. Watch the rhythm start to roll. Every beat is solid gold. Story that must be told. Oh yeah, let the vibe unfold. Can you feel the heat? Moving to the beat. Don't you take a seat? Keep it on repeat. No, don't live for the street. Hit that button now. Let me show you how.
Subscribe to the vibe, join the Hulu tribe. Like it if you feel it, share it, don't conceal it. Oh yeah, join the flow, let the whole world know. Anthony Hulu, yeah, coming for you. Yeah, Anthony Hulu, oh yeah, what you gonna do? Hulu, 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 Hulu. From the city streets to the global meets, we bring in the energy, creating the remedy. Drop a comment down below, let the family grow. Yulu in the building, see what we are yielding. Can you feel the heat? Moving to the beat, don't you take a seat? Keep it on repeat, no darling for the street. Hit that button now, let me show you how. Subscribe to the vibe, join the Hulu tribe. Like it if you feel it, share it, don't conceal it. Oh yeah, join the flow, let the whole world know. Anthony Hulu, Hulu, Hulu,
Yes, this is
Hulu,
awesome. This is
Hulu.
awesome. Lovely thing here, it gives you 3 minute songs, 3 amazing minutes. Let's listen to the second music. It generates two songs for you. Let's listen to the second vibe.
What oh, hey, 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 hey. What up to the show? Anthony Hulu on the go. Got that fire in my soul. Watch the rhythm start to roll. Every beat is solid gold. Story that must be told. Oh yeah, let the vibe unfold. Can you feel the heat moving to the beat? Don't you take a seat, keep it on repeat. No darling for the street. Hit that button now. Let me show you how. Subscribe to the vibe. Join the Yulu tribe. Like it if you feel it. Share it. Don't conceal it. Oh yeah. Join the flow. Let the whole world know. Anthony Hulu. Yeah, yeah. Coming for Hulu. Yeah, yeah. Anthony Hulu. Oh yeah. What you gonna do? Hulu, Hulu. Hulu. Hulu, Hulu. Hulu. From the city streets to the global meets, we bringing the energy, creating the remedy. Drop a comment down below, let the family grow. Hulu in the building, see what we are yielding. You feel the heat, moving to the beat. Don't you take a seat, keep it on repeat. No darling for the street. Hit that button now, let me show you how. Subscribe to the vibe, join the Hulu tribe. Like it if you feel
Amazing,
it, share
guys.
it, don't
This is
conceal it.
awesome. Jump on this. This is absolutely free. Don't sleep on this. Jump on it. Use it to create amazing sound music when you are making video on your YouTube channel or your gig, storytelling, and all that. You can use this and it's absolutely monetizable. Jump on this immediately. Let me know your thoughts on the comment section. If you want me to be generating music for you, I am here to make you smile. Jump on this immediately. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I create amazing AI videos on how you can use AI to make your life better. Let's see on my next tutorial. Let me know if you want me to do a tutorial on any particular websites, AI tools. Let me know on the comment section. I'll be responding to that immediately. See you on my next video. Cheers.